Elijah, what are you in?
Empty house.
Treehouse. What do you have inside?
Lemon.
Oh, your hammer, huh? Just like Daddy's hammer to make this. Are you working on your treehouse?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, there you go. Okay. Can you open up the door? Oh. Do you want to get down the ladder?
Yes.
Alright, show everyone how you can get down the ladder. You could show them your underoos too. Oh, dropping your tools, huh? Down the ladder you go. Good job, Elijah. Man, you can do that so well. Can you say hi to everyone?
Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.